Hello there, a very good afternoon to you. Many of us will get a decent dose of sunshine over the course of today. It's because we're in between weather systems at the moment. There is this expanse of cloud waiting in the wings in the Atlantic, all courtesy of an area of low pressure that is actually ex-Hurricane Melissa. Now, it is no longer a hurricane. It is significantly weaker than when it was over the Caribbean, but it is going to be heading towards us for the start of the new working week. There's also a weather front that's just been clearing off the far southeast of England first thing as well, but in between that, there's a decent amount of sunshine in there for a good number of us as we head into this afternoon, away from a few scattered showers that are just drifting into some western coasts of England and Wales. The exception to the rule today is northwestern Scotland, where we've got more frequent showers and longer spells of rain moving through, coastal gales around the Highlands and over towards the Northern Isles later on as well. Despite the sunshine in there, it is still going to be a little cool when you step outside. Temperatures generally only between 10 and 13 degrees Celsius into this afternoon. The sunshine will also be disappearing for Northern Ireland later on in the day as the cloud begins to build, with our next area of low pressure beginning to arrive. Outbreaks of rain spreading in from the west, and they'll move eastwards across pretty much all areas of the UK as we head into the overnight period. That rain turning quite heavy and persistent for a time, particularly over hills of northwestern England, and it is going to be a fairly blustery second half of the night. Whilst this evening could actually be relatively chilly in places, all of this cloud spilling in is introducing some much milder conditions. So by the time we reach Monday morning, it is going to be a noticeably different feel compared to where we woke up this time this morning. Many of us on Sunday morning were greeted by single-figure values, but this chart here shows that the bulk of the UK will see at least temperatures 3 to 5 degrees higher on Monday morning compared to Sunday morning. And actually parts of Northern Ireland into central southern Scotland could see temperatures 6 to 9 degrees higher on Monday morning compared to 24 hours earlier. What does that mean for the values on the thermometer? Well, it's going to be double-digit figures pretty much right across the board as we kick off on Monday morning. So a very mild start as you're stepping out the door. Despite that, though, it is going to be also very cloudy, and there's going to be a fair amount of rain around. That rain throughout the day will be most persistent out towards the west, again likely to be heaviest over some hills. And actually, if you are further towards the east, there is the greater chance of seeing some sunshine just breaking through that cloud at times, and generally you will stay drier here. For all of us, though, it's going to be a windy day, gales in exposed coastal and hill regions. But with those winds coming in from a southwesterly direction, it is still filtering in those much milder conditions, and by the afternoon, those temperatures will be peaking at around 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, notably above where we should be for this time of year. It's a theme we are going to have to get used to, because it's looking like much of next week will hold on to that mild but rather unsettled theme, so do expect further pulses of rain to be pushing through, always most frequent and heaviest out towards the west, with eastern areas generally staying just that little bit drier. But we'll have plenty more updates on all of that, so do stay tuned and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.